Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐷𝐲. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Myfirstwig. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. In my package, I received lace glue, a wig cap, hair clips, and a comb. The wig that I received is in the style Gemini 002. It is 10 inches, 130% density, Malaysian hair, and it is a lace front wig. So this wig is already ready to go straight out of the package. The knots are already bleached, the hairline is already plucked, the hair is already cut into a very cute, trendy pixie haircut with bangs, and the bangs are featured on the right side. The wig has 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. Alright, so here's how Gemini 002 looks straight out of the package and placed straight onto your head. All of the work is already done for you. The only thing that you would have to do is just customize it a little bit to fit your face and of course install it. The first thing that I'm going to do to customize the wig is tint the lace. This is always optional. To tint the lace, I do use 2 different colors of lace tints. One is labeled Skin, which is an exact match of my foundation, and the other is labeled Scalp, which is a perfect match to my scalp color. I'm going to spray the one that is labeled Skin along the hairline of the lace, and then I am going to blow dry. I'm going to spray the one that is labeled Scalp on the inner portion of the lace, and then I am going to blow dry. I'll be doing 2 layers of each color of lace tint and then allowing it to dry. Alright, so now I'm just going to place the wig on my mannequin head, grab 𝐷𝐢𝐧𝐝's Silk Therapy, apply that to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm going to flat iron and curl. Finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. So now that I am at the front of the head, I'm going to grab 𝐃𝐫𝐚𝐼𝐬𝐴 wax stick, apply that to the hairline, and then use my pressing comb to press those hairs out of my face. So I am finishing off this hairstyle by applying that hair wax stick and using my pressing comb just so that the hair looks more natural. I feel like when you do this, it makes the hair look like you just got a fresh relaxer. And that is the look that I am going for. I decided last minute that I want to go for more of a vintage type of short hairstyle. So I'll just grab a couple of sections in the front where the longer portion is on the right side. And I'm just going to curl about 3 different sections and then use my bobby pins to pin it down. That's going to create more of a pin curl. Okay, to finish off the hairstyle, I'll be grabbing Sebastian Shaper Spray, and that is a light hold hairspray. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to carefully cut along the hairline. Following the natural curvature, I'm just going to cut off that extra lace. Alright, so now it's time to install. The first thing that I'm going to do is prep my scalp and forehead. Grabbing 90% alcohol, I'm just going to clean my forehead off with that alcohol. Grabbing scalp protector, I'll be applying that to my scalp and allowing it to air dry. The adhesive of choice today is 𝐷𝐢𝐵𝐿's Wonder Lace Bond, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the wig. So just flipping the wig upside down and spraying that along the hairline. After doing one layer of that, I'm just going to blow dry for about 3 to 5 seconds until it is tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my head in the proper placement, and then I'll be using this Velcro elastic band thing to pin my hairline down. 15 minutes later, it is a perfect melt. But I am going to go ahead and add some baby hairs where my hair is peeking through at, so it can be a flawless finish. After applying those baby hairs and allowing it to set, I will remove my headscarf and play around with these pin curls a little bit and see how the final look is going to come out. Thumbs up to Myfirstwig for making this wig look so natural. This looks like I got a fresh relaxer. This looks like this is my natural hair that is cut into this pixie. I am obsessed with it. I do want to show you guys how this wig looks out of your face. So this is the out of your face version of the hairstyle, and then later on in the video I did comb it towards my face so that I can have the bang, you know, the swooped bang effect. So you'll see that if you keep watching. But I am obsessed with this. This is such a very, 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 very cute look. Such an easy look. I didn't have to cut it. I didn't have to customize it. I didn't have to pluck it. I did not have to bleach the knots. The lace melts so flawlessly into your skin. I'm blown away by this. So let's chat down below in the comment section. How do you feel about short pixie wigs? Are you feeling this wig, how it's cut, how it's styled? Let's talk about it. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. It is free after all. And if this is not your first time, but you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to comment down below before you leave, as well as give this video a huge thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you all in my nenext video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.